Makeup is all about being creative. It's about following trends and then applying it according to your facial features. Makeup isn't about transforming yourself, but it is an art to enhance your features. So who doesn't love makeup, follow new trends, and buy new products? Hi guys, welcome to the Dumb Media. Here you get the bits on everything happening in the entertainment industry. Before we get right into it, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out on the video I plan on posting next. Also, hit the like button if you end up loving everything I say. I'm pretty sure you will love it though. Now, enough talk, let's get into it. As summers are for subtle makeup looks and warm lip colors, winters are all about bold makeup looks and dark lip colors. Time to set all those reds, maroons, and hot pinks on your dressing table. Before we hop into makeup, don't forget to prep your skin well. Winters badly dry out your skin, and makeup doesn't look good on dry, patchy skin. It creases out and forms fine lines. Foundation wears out, and lipstick on flaky lips gives a very bad look. So don't forget to moisturize everything well before makeup. Use hydrating products and hydrating sheet masks and everything that keeps your skin hydrated. And most importantly, drink lots and lots of water. Number 1. Dewy face and bold lip. Dewy face is still in trend, and especially in winter when skin is all dried, you need to create the dewy look. And to complete that winter look, bold lips are a must and you're good to go. Of course, you can add up your own creativity with some eyeliner and pop-ups and eyeshadow. Number 2. Bold glittery eyeshadows. Fall is all about making your eye makeup game strong. Those bold pop-up colors on your lids and some shimmers on the top can change the whole look. Many of the celebrities were seen with the same kind of makeup looks in the recent events, so you definitely need to try it this winter. Number 3. Rosy look. The flushed cheek and the rosy lids and the tip of the nose is the perfect winter look. You can go with glossy, rosy lips and can give dimension to your eyes with glitter eyeliner. And do not forget to put some white pencil in your inner eye to make them look big. Number 4. Blue-purple eyes. Using blues and purples on your lids seemed to look very off in previous years, but now these are trending among all. The blue or purple pop of colors with glowy face and nude lips is the new kind of bold. Number 5. Feathered, messy brows. So now we have upgraded, and the bold look doesn't only mean to have dark lips and bold lids. The feathered, messy brows are also the new kind of bold. The trend is being set by many celebrities out there, and you're definitely bold if you try this. So, what do you think? Comment your thoughts in the comment sections below. And don't forget to like and subscribe today and keep up with the videos we post week in, week out.